This is third day. It's coming rainy snow in Massachusetts. This is my tree ready, and the train, the little trains, is ready for roll on working. The I-24. I'm going to outside to see the snow. This is my flyer. My flyer from Salvador. This is my flyer from my wife from Costa Rica. This is outside the road, Washington Avenue. It's very cold here. This is started raining snow today. It's a little bit, probably tonight, the afternoon of this day. It's coming heavy rain now. This is my apartment. There's a little bit rainy snow. I'm going to the back of my apartment. I wanna take a video record for the snow in the back Imperial. Look at the sky. It's white. Very cold. See? You see the snow a little bit? This is Massachusetts, Boston. So I gotta go back, record over there. Pucci, come on, back. Wanna go pee? Come on. Come on, push. This is my dog. She's happy when go outside. She's a good boy. See? When me tell her, or come outside, he understand. See? Listen. See? Look. Go! See? She's trying this. Good. Hey, take it easy, Pucci. Take it easy. You see snow a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. Wow, it's raining too. This maybe today, tomorrow, I don't know when. This is very, very full snow. Probably 5 inches, 10 inches to snow on the floor. How you doing?
Alright, and you?
Yeah, Rico, after raining snow. Hey, take it easy. Okay, have a good luck it.
Alright.
Oh, this is a friend. They go marketing. Be careful, snow coming. Yeah. Yeah. Pucci, come on. Pucci, come over here. Coming. Come here. Come over here. Pucci, he say hi. Hey, come here. He say hi, hi, hi. Hi, he say hi. He say hi, he say hi. See, look at the orb. Pucci, 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 Pucci. Hey, come here. Hey, come over here. Stay here. Pucci, come over here. Come here. She crazy because many times when coming outside see the animal. Yeah, raccoon, armadillo is walking right there. Let me see. Let me tell you something. Look, Pucci, you see Ardilla? Go, go, Ardilla. Where Ardilla? Go. Raccoon right here. Pucci, raccoon, raccoon, right here. Okay, I'll stop. Next time, for starting my record here is for the snows coming. Okay, let's go. Let's go home. Let's go home. Come on.